If you can't do this one movement, your independence is at risk. Most people think aging means losing strength, getting stiff joints, and eventually giving up your independence. But that's a complete lie. In this video, you're going to see 3 exercises backed by science that can literally reverse how your body ages. These aren't random exercises. They've been recommended and taught to thousands of people, men and women in their 30s all the way to their 70s. And they all ended up moving better than people half their age. Before we get started, comment your age and where you're watching from. It's always great hearing from you. Now let's get started. Number 1, hanging. Hanging decompresses your spine, opens up your shoulders, and builds serious grip strength. And grip strength isn't just about opening jars. It's actually one of the strongest signs of longevity. If you're a beginner, use a chair to support some of your weight. Start small, 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Let your shoulders relax and gradually open. A major study showed that low grip strength is one of the strongest predictors of early death, linked to heart disease, cancer, and overall mortality. One of our students, Eleanor, started with just a couple seconds of assisted hanging. Within weeks, she was holding 30 seconds unassisted. She said her shoulders felt freer than they had in decades, and she even started hula hooping again. Number 2, the deep squat. This isn't just an exercise. This is how your body was designed to rest. Lose it, and you lose ankle mobility, hip function, spinal health, and eventually your independence. If you're a beginner, hold on to something for support. Build up to 2 to 5 minutes a day. A study showed that people who struggle to sit and rise from the floor are 5 times more likely to die within 6 years. One of our students, Tom, messaged us after his first breakthrough. He sat fully down in a deep squat for the first time in decades. Number 3, isometrics. Strength isn't just about movement, it's about control. Isometric exercises like planks, wall sits, and balance holds build the kind of strength that keeps you steady, and that prevents falls. If you're a beginner, start with simple holds: planks, wall sits, supported balance. Before you go, comment, "I'm starting today," if you're committing to even one of these movements.